Stacker. I'd rather optimize the paper. Stackers actually deperformize.
It actually saved a bunch. I was gonna use
Mistaken. That's
pufferfish.
some stuff you can buy.
Actually, I
That's
did
just
end
a
up
few
using
pieces of
pufferfish's
gold,
built-in
specifically
one for
like
a
10
bit.
stacks for you to.
Well, like
buy.
I'm still gonna use paper. It's just
Pufferfish adds a lot of tweaks that just are so nice.
yeah,
And
but
especially Pufferfish Plus.
I like.
Yeah, Pufferfish Pluses ain't cheap.
Don't
Yeah,
buy
unfortunately, I'm
fucking
not
gold.
gonna pay for
Say
pufferfish.
Demon Kink I wanna buy.
Well, no, Pufferfish. There's a free version of Pufferfish, and you got Pufferfish.
Yeah, but
Pufferfish
honestly,
Yes, and I
I've
think
always
it's on a
preferred paper.
Say
each
like
to their own.
12.
See, we used Pufferfish on
I'm waiting for the paper's new project to come out.
Pufferfish.
Yeah. Oh, that's.
It's in there. Grab it.
I know exactly what you're talking about.
CoolGunner.
What's up? The photo. Oh my god. The new paper thing. I don't know if you looked into it. Apparently, it's supposed to do the chunk regioning for loading chunks and stuff on multi-region, on multi-thread. Sorry.
Gunner,
So guess what?
Guess what? You're so fucking loud.
Me?
There you go. Let me turn you down.
I'm loud.
Gunner, is a paper spawn egg illegal?
No, you didn't tell me nothing like that. They said if you have any questions, just give them a call.
Bro has to be muted.
I don't have you muted. I'm literally just doing something at the moment.
Okay.
But you said I'm loud?
Yeah, it was on my end.
Oh, my bad. Yo, so like, let me ask you a question. Do you think I should get assault charges because I said a special needs kid's trigger word and he hit a kid?
Okay. I care what?
So like,
Bro
no.
stunned.
Like, I think yesterday I said a special needs kid's trigger word to my friend, and then somebody else heard it, went up to the special needs kid and said, he said Paw Patrol. His trigger word is Paw Patrol, which is stupid because the kid had a Paw Patrol backpack on, and that special need kid ended up pinning the kid against the wall. That kid told his mom. The mom pressed charges on me for saying his trigger word, but not even out loud. I said it to my friend. Do you think
Mine it so I can get it.
Okay, even though I didn't assault anybody? She said it was an assault charge. Even though I didn't touch her or do anything.
Thank you. I'm gonna give that to
I don't know. It sounds more like sounds more like a
Don't you dare say you problem.
no, I'm trying to what's that saying that if you don't do the crime but you're part of the crime? Oh my god.
You're part of the crime, you gotta pay the time.
No, not that. Hey Tristan, do you know what I'm trying to think of?
Yeah, I would know even less than you do. We don't say these kind of sayings in the UK.
Yeah, in Texas, we just say screwed up.
Bros in Texas.
If you do the crime, you do the time. That's the only one.
No, it's like
the only major saying we do.
It's like the factor of when you like if you're hiding something like the certain information, not obstructing
everything will happen.
What they can charge you with it if you don't cooperate.
Obstruction with a police
No, not that. There's another thing. I watch a lot of cop TV shows.
The only cop one I've watched that would be in the US is The Rookie.
It's like similar to the accessory to murder if you know the person murdered them and you're stopping them.
Oh, that kind of, I know exactly what you're talking about.
I can't figure out what it's called.
You mean aggravated assault? No, simple assault.
No, not even close. So pretty much say if your friend kills somebody and you knew they were planning it, but you didn't report it. You'd be an accessory to murder,
Wait, I need to put this away.
but now you're an accessory to the assault because you were the one that was talking about his trigger word. So you're an accessory to assault, but you can't be charged for the assault. You could be charged for an accessory to the assault.
You could, yeah, you'd be charged to a accessory to either assault /
Here,
to a
one sec.
crime.
So you mean to tell me that everybody else would also be accessory? Because when the cops came in, there was 5 cops. And then one was sheriff, then blah blah blah, whatever. They had their supervisors there, and they were like, "So you said his trigger word," and somebody else said it out loud when you were talking to your friend. My friend didn't say it at all. It was a kid that was in front of me that said it, and started a fight. And I tell you, this special needs kid is 6'1", tall. He's not that tall because he's short. I'm 6'5". He's shorter than me. Bro is big. I'm scared of him. Everybody's afraid of him because he's violent. Like last year, he had to get like tackled by like 4 cops. It's crazy.
Yeah, 2 more speed parts. This is fast.
We
I
don't
should
really
use
call them
this one
special
instead.
needs kids over here in the UK. We would generally call them. Most special needs disorders here in the UK are autism,
Autistic.
Asperger's, and stuff like that. It's not like we don't really call them. Well, we can't because that would be against a law we have in the UK here.
What?
Yeah, there's laws against. It was. It's well, it's not really protected speech. Because it would be verbal assault. It's verbal assault against anyone to speak of ill of them, because and if you go really over the top, the law you won't go for jail if you break this one, but this one's like a fine and a notice on your criminal record.
Oh, well, in America,
So
they would
it's
have.
not
I'll
jail
go
time
to
at all.
lobby 1 then.
It's just a fine and a notice on your criminal record.
I have to go to court either way. But no, they did say that I have 2 charges. One with simple assault, which I don't know how, and the second one for I think I don't know, but it wasn't that bad. They said that the judge might just throw it out because it's not as big of a deal because I don't have any part in this crime. But they said that since they probably have a lot of work to do.
As with any
Yeah.
police investigation, they always have a lot of stuff to do. So, just I would. The best piece of advice I can probably give you is stay out the limelight for a bit. You don't want to make it worse.
Oh, I'm suspended. I'm gone.
Yeah. Well, yeah, the closest I've ever been to being gone from anything was. Actually, I've never been really in trouble with the law.
I mean, I want to get like I love getting deep with like laws and stuff, cause I don't know, it's just interesting. But yeah, no, I don't. They said that I have no criminal record. My record is clean. They said that this
Then
won't go
you'll
on
be
my record
probably
either.
let off with a warning.
Yeah, cause they probably just gave me probation since it'd be my first time doing anything bad.
Probation secondary time.
But
So
then
warnings
community
first.
service. Oh yeah, warning.
You get warning, then you get probation, then you get community service.
I'm hoping I get
Generally,
that.
it depends how serious the crimes are.
And this one's not serious, so I'm good.
Well, that was interesting. Cool, you there?
Did you notice that the fitness grand pacer test is a multi-stage aerobic capacity test? Right, no one's speaking. Let me reset.
Everybody left us?
Yeah,
Why?
no idea.
You want me to load up the zombie server for you to try it out and see?
Yeah, if you want. I'm just ripping DVDs right now, so we could do it later if you want.
I can
Well,
turn it
you're
on for you to try out.
yeah. All right. One moment. I'm just like encoding so many videos.
Well, it's something to do while
Yeah,
you're
people
burning
are
the...
trying to swear, by the way, in the chat,
Hmm?
trying to bypass this filter with the N word.
They're trying, but they're probably not succeeding.
They are. One got scarily close. N1. Well, Mr. Potato did it.
I love Chat Century, but... Oh, temp muted 1 hour for racism. Potato's always lurking, just like I'm always lurking. I'm always lurking while I'm at work, too. Huh?
Hello, Potato.
Hello.
Probably the longest time we haven't spoken for a while.
Probably.
You know what's funny
Not
is
since I was.
Alex is watching a movie, you're burning movies.
I'm ripping movies, actually.
Whatever that means. It's not burning.
Ripping is taking from a DVD to an MP4 file. I'm actually going to apply soon, so I actually more stuff since the other side.
Is you really going to fucking type through 1 hour? There you go.
Was he now?
He's fucking typing through Discord. In
I'm out in Discord, I'm guessing.
what? Yeah, I typed on the Discord for 1 hour.
You could just slash mute him and then he doesn't have access to survival chat. What?
Yeah, I guess I can just.
Yeah, I think that's where they put mine.
Oh, my computer's
Yeah,
now
for now.
lagging so much. Ooh. might leave my computer on all night, just ripping.
Here you can ask Austin.
What fucking warrants does he have?
Right. So let's go. If my computer's gonna lag, I may as well do this.
Spamming.
I don't know why it doesn't call him. Like the Google Duo, it's like it just says it's video calling, but it's not actually calling.
Oh my god. How long have I been out? Cool, do you remember roughly when I joined
Wow.
as a developer?
Hello, Fergo. I have no idea.
I could probably have a look at the logs.
Oh shit! A rat!
Hey, Gunner, I have a question.
Really, Alex?
What?
Let me mute your soundboard. You try calling him. For some reason, my video calls Michael.
Gunner, I have a question.
I may have an answer.
How does Alex have a long-time subscriber before me?
I don't know. I didn't give him any roles.
Oh, because I was talking to him. He said he doesn't even know how he got it, but he's a long-time subscriber, and I was curious. Cause
I think Alex gave him some, or Dragon. I don't know. Wow.
Alex give him? Who's Alex? Wait, is there a second Alex I don't know about?
Mr. Potato was called Alex.
Wait, Mr. Potato's called Alex?
Yes.
Everybody knew this except for you.
23rd of October, I
never
became
know
dev.
this. I never thought I need to know his actual name.
Oh wait, no, I didn't. I came it before.
I'm confused.
Dev.
I just watched somebody spam Warp PvP Arena 16.
Oh, I did find
26.
my Chat Sentry config.
And it works good for like chat spamming and stuff.
Well, did you see any spam on that River Network?
Well,
Let's just stay from that because I muted most of those people when I was on. Right. I'm gonna say around October. Since October 2022.
I'll be back. I'll be right back, guys.
Alright.
I guess I'll go downstairs. RBC. Okay. Got one ranch, one cheddar chipotle. The house tips are my mother's. She just got it extra. If you want the house tip. Oh, sorry. Hi, I'm back.
Yeah, we're still here.
Hey, Alex, you still here? Fucking guy's
He's
messaging me.
muted, Nathan. Right.
Can you send me the chat century? Okay.
Yeah, I'll compile it up and I'll send it over.
I turned
I'm
on the hub
currently
server
applying.
if you want to play this on.
Alright. I am. Oh, I'm currently applying. Oh, you're not whitelisted. You know, mate. Alright. I am currently applying, so I will do it in a second.
Oh, so I found out. So remember how I told you how I couldn't find out what the hell was happening, why I couldn't get my welcome messages to come back?
Yes, I believe you did tell me about that.
I
Yeah.
found out how. Why? What was wrong?
What,
So
what was wrong?
Essentials, custom welcome and welcome back messages. For some reason, um, with the welcome back doesn't. Every time I try and fucking talk, my phone's going off. This, that.
Yeah, I get that too.
Okay. So, but for some reason, the
I've just turned your phone off. At this point.
working or not. Tomorrow, 'cause she's making my lunch for me. Oh, excuse me. So, the welcome back essentials, like the custom join back and leave message there. Welcome.
Yeah.
So, the leave message for saying like when people leave isn't used by Bucket Broadcast. It's used a different system. But I already got it. It was to cut up her Panzerati. No, I don't know why either. But I told her to give you her old phone. Um so the welcome back, like the welcome messages there, like when you say welcome back, or has like how it says
Yeah, I know what you're talking
plus maple syrup, your welcome back to the server. That is used by Bucket Broadcast. So when you do when you false bucket dot star on players for perms, you have to enable bucket dot broadcast dot user.
about. Yeah, that sounds like Bucket. Hey, I used it. I used Bucket. I know how terrible it was.
But I don't use bucket, I use paper.
Built on Bucket.
Everything's built on.
Anyway.
What? The zombies was a nice mode. I just wish that a lot more people played it. This is a mode that's not really out there anymore.
No, it's no like GTA and Minecraft is not really out there anymore.
Like okay, this one I have to answer because it's my RBC. Wait. They did the callback. Now I gotta wait for them to. Are you playing the zombies? Let me guess, Nuketown. Let me guess, you're playing the Nuketown map.
Yes.
Boy tried to do /feed.
Okay, I was running out of food. Oh. I have no idea where that's breaching from. Oh, that's where they're breaching from. Reloading at the worst time.
I also have a plugin, or I found the plugin that is a remake of the Hypixel one.
Sorry, that gun doesn't seem to exist.
Oh yeah, the wall guns are broken at the moment because I tried to put a custom one in and I haven't updated them.
The Olympia is the one that.
So I put a somebody made a custom different custom guns that aren't in the thing, or they changed the names. So no, I never updated that. Like that's why I said is
Right next door. Oh, okay, that came out of nowhere.
But if you open up the box, you'll be able to for sure use weapons from it.
The M1911 is not the best gun in the world.
That's a pistol.
Yeah, I've got my M14 was under repair.
You mean reloading?
Yes. I don't play COD. I don't play gun games anymore. Kind of fell out of them.
There's even the one in the chamber mode too. It was nice.
Oh, you annoyance! Both guns are reloading.
Yeah, one in the chamber is a fun mode.
I know, I used to play it back in the day.
On what was it? What server was it that had it?
Can't remember, but it's such a game mode.
It was an amazing mode.
Oh, you annoyance! Hawk machine. Ha. Oh, up there. That's where they're spawning. Juggernaut.
There's dogs too, by the way. I think it's round 5.
Oh, behind me. I want to keep a good. Oh dear.
What did you do, die?
Yeah, almost. Survived it.
Did the callback. How long is it gonna take for me to freaking get my person?
Coming from everywhere. Oh, and of course reloading at the worst time possible. It's kind of hard to play this solo.
Well, once you get to a higher round.
I'm on round 4. Now on round 5. with 1600 points. Oh, round 5. Oh, great. I heard lightning.
Yeah, that's dogs. They're hella hard to kill.
Oh, no, not wolves.
I told you there's dogs.
I'm being attacked from all angles.
Wait,
They're just spawning on the roof. No, worst time, worst time, worst time, worst time.
you going up for a smoke, baby?
Had to reload.
You dropped your fork. That's close to
Got
bring
it to
down my
round
stuff.
5.
Where you go and you bring down your stuff to the garbage? You ate the whole thing? Good job. It's a fun mode, huh?
Yeah. Go for a different map.
I wanted to add all the nostalgia Call of Duty maps.
Nuketown, Fight Me, is the best one.
Oh,
Nuketown was the best Call of Duty map. Awesome map. I'm playing Nak. Oh god, yeah. If I try to pronounce that one, I will butcher it. Starting in 13 seconds. Oh yeah, I remember this one.
they ended up talking, and then I'm gonna unmute again in a minute or two because they're just closing my claim. So, because somebody took out money without asking me, and then the company called me the next day and said so sorry. I didn't mean to, because I took out $115.
Nice.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, thousands. Nice. Get the next.
Why the hell is somebody spamming sell hand 13 then 21 times? So they're going to write a note saying that I'm closing the case. But they really wrote it 36 times and then left.
Oh yeah, I've got a right. What's? Let's see what I get from the mystery box.
Watch you get a sniper.
Oh, right. I got a Gorgon.
Whatever that is.
No idea. Couldn't tell you.
I'm gonna switch back to
And
the
it didn't
original
even give me
names.
it. I
Did you
swear
write?
it's
Did you
probably one of
click
the
on
other.
it? After you open the box, you have to click on it again.
Oh, bruh.
Sorry,
Well,
I forgot to mention that.
that's too much like Call of Duty.
What, baby? I got stickers. No. I don't know. I didn't look at it. Hey. Oh, one
1200.
sec.
I am 40 points away.
Like, we can do where we can do with deluxe menus. Can you make it that people can preview the
Darn it! Right, I got to the round where I've getting to the round where I almost died. Well, I died
This
last.
person keeps fucking like unmuting, like unholding me and then putting me back on hold.
Every bank does that. Do you not know?
Well, I'm trying to say something to you and then she fucking takes me off hold. Can we make it that like for deluxe menus that when you click on it you can preview a kit like to the
Not
GUI?
with deluxe menus. Well, you could build each individual kit in the menu, yes, but I would use a third-party plugin for that one. The likes of Kit Preview.
I know, but like I mean with kit preview, can you make it that in the GUI, like my kit's GUI, like you right click it and you can preview what the kit looks like
Yeah, yeah, very much so.
with deluxe menus?
Yes,
into it.
you set up a left click trigger. I give walls.
I
They are
might just make a whole GUI for it. I guess it's just like a
walls
kick.
are deadly.
What? Yeah, we'll have to cut it up
Oh,
before.
they're behind me.
But that can wait to after.
Yeah, round 5 I just cannot deal with.
You can't even pass round 5.
The wolves, man.
Get.
They absolutely destroy you.
It's honestly though, like it's fun though.
Yeah.
It's a fun mode. Like I don't know why people didn't enjoy it. I think it's because everybody liked survival too much.
Yeah.
I'm gonna turn off the hub.
Yeah.
I wanted
did.
to use that plugin you suggested, the Fade Hub. I bought it on MC Market, but you have to use a MySQ with it.
Oh yeah, of course you do. Yeah, for MySQL I used my website's hosting plan that I get. So I have my website hosting plan, which is from a brick steel crystal 2
Oh,
UK
I wish there
hosting.
was a way to just buy a MySQ.
You probably could, but I wouldn't recommend it.
Like, I could go buy like a 1 gigabyte server on fucking like Pebble Host or something and get a MySQ with it, but
Yeah. Then you just have a 1 gigabyte server. That's why I did it on my website hosting, because I would get the website done, and then
oh, I don't need a website though. Well, I want to make a website,
Yeah.
but I don't think it's a time to make it. Like River Network, they're making it. I'd love to make it where I can make people apply on a website,
I
but
mean, it's not that hard.
I don't know how to make any websites, so.
Yeah, I always use Zenforo, which is the form software. I have a
You took
license.
your remote, which is that more emptier pack?
My license expires October 9th this year.
If you could make me a nice website, I'd for sure post a website, but I have no idea how to make it.
Yeah, it's a difficult skill to apply.
Everyone's-
No.
This time I didn't fall asleep for it, so. Cause you gotta suck on it for 20 minutes. How's it taste? Taste weird? Baby? And it's only one. They passed it up it in the case. How does it taste? Good? Well, don't take a drink, wait at least 30 minutes. You just suck on it for 20 minutes. Suck on it like candy. Don't chew it. Don't swallow it. You have to do it for 20 minutes. So that means... You have a timer? Okay. Would you make me a website? With like...
Yeah, I could think. I'll think about it.
Cause I would love a website, but I have no idea when it comes. Like I used to just do like when I used to make a website for my server, I would do like engine.
Ooh, yeah, I would. There's two website, well, three, but I don't really count the last one for
Yeah?
like a proper website.
I don't know. That you took the white part, right? Oh, I guess that's. There's probably no taste to it. No, they didn't say anything. So what do you do after 20 minutes? Do you pharmacy? What time does their pharmacy close at? Okay, here, let me. I'll be 1 minute.
No problem.
Bro, it's all it is Colorado Chlorate. Oh my god. You still there?
Yeah.
Websites.
Yeah. Give me until next Tuesday. I'll have 3 different versions of websites which you can choose from.
Like I could buy a pre-made set website.
But yeah.
I don't know. Like I don't have a logo, so
Well, it doesn't have to have a logo. So I'll make 3 websites and I'll present them to you on Tuesday.
alright. No, type it on your phone. Because I want to do a website because I feel like having the staff on a website. Because what I want to do is I want to have the staff applies on a web. As my hiccups are going off. What's the IP and port of the server? Whoa, I'm like, I don't know. Which one did you take out of? You're the one that took it out. I'll get you your IP in 1 second. Because for the website, I want to be able to like, because you know how we have staff applies and media apply and builder apply, right?
Yeah.
I want to be able to do that through the website. I don't know if we can still keep the Google Docs links or do it all website based. Like, I don't know how people do
I
that.
can always
But
coordinate with Potato what he wants.
yeah. There's the IP and the port. Because like I want to be able to do the builder apply because he has it set up where you fill out a Google form and it goes right to a Google sheet. Where we have people that
We embed the Google form into our page, but
and then I
I'll
want
see
to
if there's a way of finding out if we could do it to the Google sheet.
well because it's like it goes to the Google form where then his Google form is set up to go to a Google sheet.
Yeah.
So because then that gets rid of a bunch of channels on the Discord too.
Yeah.
Because it's I want to clear up the I want to put up that the voting links are on the website also. Like if you go to that vote site, you can click vote here, and it brings you to the link.
Yeah.
Like, and then I want to link my Bycraft. I'm sorry, but they like I wouldn't mind like a staff list on my website, but like not like the way that they did. Hello, there we go. Every time I hit my mic, I like the way that the River Network did their staff thing, but like they did it weirdly. I'd rather just names. Like why have heads? Did you see how they did it?
No, I haven't looked at their website. I can't even connect to their website. Was it like form.ribbon.org or something like that?
It's play dot
Oh,
River.
of course it is. Crappy way of doing it.
It's a very bright website. They have owner, manager. Like I like the way that they have it laid, where it's like owner, manager, developer, server admin, forms admin, moderator, helper, and staff.
The fact that they have their alts on there is risky. Oh, Cynic's is manager.
Yeah.
And of course, burying did the form. That's not a surprise. And what are they using? Oh, I know what they're using. They're using Nameless.
They didn't even take off the powered thing. Nothing. They're using Nameless hosting. There's actually a Nameless hosting website.
Yeah, it's crap.
It's like a free website or like free
It's
hosting.
free. It's free website hosting.
Oh, thank God, there's a dark mode. I definitely would need a dark mode on that website. I'm sorry, but who the fuck wants a white website?
Yeah, no.
Pure
Do want-
white? Like what? My Discord's in dark mode. My Google Chrome's in dark mode.
Yeah, I have everything in dark
My
mode.
Streamlabs is in dark mode.
Yeah, alright, give me until Tuesday. I'll have 3 websites. They won't be finished, but at least you can see the general gist of them.
Yeah. And then I'll pay for hosting, and I'm sorry, but I'm not going to use free hosting.
Oh, no, I wouldn't say you would. No one ever uses free hosting unless you're poor.
They make so much money on River Network, but they go to free hosting.
Because when I was there, the hosting I used, I never even had access to their. Well, I had access to their Cloudflare account, but I didn't host theirs. But the hosting I would have used would have been Crystal. It's a premium server host. It's like $10, $20 a month.
Oh.
But it's UK hosting, so it's the best. I still have their databases from
Bisect
back in
hosting.
the day. God,
What
Bisect.
was the no? I had a couple. There was a couple hosts that I seen.
I'll send you through through later. Right. So if I go,
Website.
I don't actually have. I don't actually have
I
this.
stopped using Discord bot hosting. I don't know. I feel like a server doesn't really need it that much. Like this was a host that you probably never heard of.
I have heard of it.
Barked.
Yes. I used to host a couple of my bots on there.
It's a real
Okay, that second one I've never heard of.
what Nova Node? That's what I use.
These are the 2 I use. Hang on, I'll send them over.
But
But I'm UK based, so they'll be different.
yeah, they set up a whole dedicated server for me. So
Those are the 2 hosts
you
that I use.
you seen the thing where I sent you how many packets my server holded with no lag being sent for a DDoS attack over fucking what? I think it was.
I don't know, but I wouldn't say that. But those are the 2 hosts that I use.
It was in the matter of 10 minutes. Somebody sent max PPS 27.558 million packets. Max BPS 7.72 gigabytes. Gigabits, sorry, no. I don't know why they say why I said gigabytes, but
Gigabytes is a different one from gigabytes.
I don't even know what either of
I've
those mean. But
gigabyte is I think a computer term for a gigabyte. It's weird.
so that means somebody was trying to tag me with like pretty much over a gigabyte of fucking packets.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
And they didn't even succeed because I have 1 gigabyte upload, 1 gigabyte download, plus DDoS protect.
Yeah, so those 2 hosts, if we were in the UK, I would recommend those 2. I think they used to do. Yeah, Brixley, the second one I sent you, does US hosting as well.
Well, I'm Canadian.
US is still closer than UK.
Wait, what? What is going on? Why?
USA, Germany, UK. Yeah.
Did they rate bedtime? What? Yeah.
Phone's on the other side of the room.
Why does my server still show offline?
I hate when my phone's on the other side of the room. Because there's so very few plugs in this damn room.
Okay, well, give me it. Isn't that even better though? Whoa, okay. Cloud, domain, servers. Wait, they sell dedicated servers? Website hosting.
One I recommended.
Yeah, what's cPanel?
cPanel is like a
WordPass premium cloud hosting?
yeah, I wouldn't go for those kind of things, but Brixley is one I use for a big project over here. I got a big project with. I don't know if you'll know it because they don't really have much of a.
Ew,
They
these are
really do.
these are horrible processors.
You don't really need good processors for hosting.
No, I'm
these
looking at their
days.
dedicated servers.
Oh, fair enough.
What? Yeah. Fuck it. Yeah. An E3 1230 V6 quad core.
Yeah, I got a VPS with them. And it runs okay. It's
What
one
hosting would you get? A cPanel?
Yes. I use
Free.
cPanel all the time. It's easy to.
Holy fuck. Okay. $30 for fucking their premium hosting.
Yeah, I wouldn't go for that. It's not the best.
They're pretty much.
If you want premium hosting for a good price, use Crystal's standard hosting. It's really good. It's like $9.99 a month. I know. Do you guys pay VAT over there? Value added tax?
So your. Is there a way to switch their currency to you? Or does this one not?
Crystal does. This is hang on. This is Crystal's US website. That has US pricing and all that.
Yeah, I know.
And all that.
Oh my god, $15 for Ruby.
Ruby's the one I use.
$15.
Yeah, a month. Over here it is 11.99. £12 a month, and you get unlimited. Did they take the money and not give me the plan, bruh? Oh, there we go. Order place.
So if I wanted to get an ultimate plan, get the power with Ultimate website for three. What? No, we're not. You're only taking one more tonight. 8:30, 8 o'clock, 11:30, 2 o'clock, supper time, bedtime. So on let's just say Nova Node, right? The starter plan for $1.50, one website, 5 gigabytes, of
Bit
SSD,
low.
four databases, 10 email accounts, 24 customer service support, suspicious soft tickless applications, also included free DDoS protection, free SSL certification, 20 gigabytes of bandwidth. For $250 on Nova Node is unlimited websites, or unlimited website, 10 gigabytes of storage, 8 databases, 20 emails, customer free data protection, free undetermined unmetered bandwidth. For $350,
It's
unlimited,
isn't it?
unmetered storage, unmetered databases, unmetered emails, unmetered bandwidth. Their one-click choice: WordPass, Laravel, Jamal, WHMCS, Bootstrap. But if I go on Spark, this is the starter plan, right? For $2, unlimited FTP account. What? 8:30, 11:30, 2 o'clock, supper time, bedtime. So for the US, the starter plan on Spark is unlimited FTP, 10 email. Oh my god, 5 gigabytes of storage, 4 add-on domains, 20 gigabytes of bandwidth, and 4 thing. But that's on an.
What does it use for?
But if I
Okay,
want
actually, you
unlimited, if I want unlimited FTPs accounts, unlimited email accounts, unmetered storage, unmetered add-on domains, unmetered bandwidth, unmetered databases for $3.
$3. See, the only reason I don't actually go for these hosts, they're not UK based. For me,
Yeah, but that's a pretty good price, no?
yeah, it's pretty good.
I'd probably go with the Sparked one, yeah. Over.
Depends what they use for their panel. Oh, C panel, fair enough. That would have actually probably been cheaper previously, by the way, the price, because C panel updated their pricing like a year ago and made it.
Oh wait, I got another host. What was it? Actually, I got another host.
Oh, they do have a UK hosting, Sparked, but not for their web hosting.
This is one that I did use once.
Yeah, I know exactly. I work with Revive. My friend actually is a community support.
Whenever I make a ticket, I end up getting to talk to the CEO every single time.
Well, Antonio.
Yeah.
Yeah, my. You know.
I was gonna.
Light?
Oh, they changed their way of their dedicated. As I last used them.
You know, Light. He might be Kent.
Ooh, that's
Who
not
the
bad.
name?
$108 US but that's only 450. I pay 118 a month.
How much do you pay a month?
118.
118. How many gigabytes?
64
Or stuff like that?
64 gigabytes of RAM.
Oh yeah, you sent me the specs, didn't you?
Yeah, 400. I got 512 gigabyte space. But this is only. This would be in Canada, but the sad part is like, oh, you have to request it. You can't actually fucking. That's fucking dumb.
Yeah, to submit a ticket.
But I got it all set up, so I don't plan on moving. But I think
mine
I
is,
think
hang on,
I think my specs are better than the i7.
Mine's £90 a month for a dedicated. Hang on, I'm just loading the specs now for you.
I have
What?
I have
what
an
does it need?
I have an AMD Ryzen 5600X 3.7 hertz 6 cores.
Okay, fair enough. That's about the same I've got. I've got a Ryzen 5 3600X, 6 cores, 12 threads, 3.8 gigahertz.
I did before when I was on OVH. I had an i7 7700K,
Not bad. Okay,
which is
RAM.
which is what they were using, but I had 32 gigabytes of RAM.
Yeah, so you have 64 right now, don't you?
Yeah.
With how much? With what megahertz?
The megahertz that I have right now are 2666.
266.
Yeah.
Okay. 2666. By the way, we might want to fix that. Player player just got the fish rank voucher.
I just got fish rank.
Oh.
Next season that's
Yeah,
gonna be changed because I'm so Zane wanted to use excellent crates.
yes. Best one
Uh,
out there.
and so we used it for this season. I don't like it.
It was really good.
I'm switching over to crazy crates.
Good second choice.
That's always been
How
my
much
choice since fucking
storage do
day
you
one
have?
of crates. What? How much
How
storage I
much
have?
storage do you? Yeah, on the dedicated.
512.
I have two 500s, but they're in soft raid.
Yeah, that
Raid
means that
1.
they're you only have 500 because it's mirrored.
I could request for them to unraid it if I really wanted to, and upgrade me to 1 terabyte single disk. But I don't want to. In my NAS, which is right next to me, is 2 4 terabyte IO
Like,
Pros.
don't get me wrong, like I liked OVH, like I liked paying what I had for that, but everybody told me, oh, for me to set up Pterodactyl for you or stuff like that, you have to reset your whole dedicated server.
No, you don't. Oh, if you have multi-craft, I suppose. No, you wouldn't
Yeah, I
actually.
had multicraft.
I use
I liked
I
multicraft.
use this. This is what I use for when I have dedicated Wisp. It's basically a souped up version of Pterodactyl. You have to pay every month for it, but it's like $5 a month for a license. But it's really good pricing. Hang on, let me
But what's
find.
nice about this host is if I'm getting a DDoS attack, a high one, the guy outright comes and messages me.
Fair enough. Was it Novanode?
Yeah, they're really good.
They don't do dedicators, so
I
I wouldn't.
what? Yeah,
If I wanted to move over to Novanode, I would, but I'm already sorted out on.
they're a good host.
I'm already sorted out on OVH, so I
All
wouldn't
community and
actually move.
basic features, host specific features, white labeling enterprise.
What host are you looking at again? Revive Node.
No Wisp.
Oh yeah, Wisp is This is the panel I use. It's very good. I
It
would only
doesn't even
use
show me what the
community mode.
panel looks like.
Hang on, I can show you because I have a panel. Do I really want to show that? Hang on, let me log on to another account.
I'm not gonna copy anything.
No, but it's got a load of IPs on it.
Yeah, I'm not gonna copy your IPs. You're good.
Users create.
I know the feeling. You think I want to when I went to go
No,
show
I
you.
just...
I wanted to show you my pterodactyl, but all my IPs are sitting there, and my domain. Oh. But it's account accessed anyways, so that's one thing I like about pterodactyl is you have to log into account when you access the domain. So multicraft you did, but I like multicraft, but their upload thing has fallen behind so badly. They're
Right, there we
outdated.
go.
If
I've created an account. Here you go. Here's what it looks like from
hello
a
Zach,
user.
you sharing your screen?
No, I've sent you a message with it. That's what it looks like from a user perspective. So it's basically a souped up version of Pterodactyl, but with a theme and a lot more features.
Oh, I didn't even have to set up Pterodactyl. I didn't have to set up anything on my server.
This you don't. Goodness sake.
Like they set up all my accounts for me. He set up all my servers, picked the RAM, everything for me. I did nothing except for point the domain.
I think my Pterodactyl's crashed.
All I did was point the domain. And wait for the files to be transferred.
Security key. Whoever decided security keys were a good idea. Yeah, my account has a security key to log on. It's my fingerprint.
Are you wanting to watch the hockey game tonight, Pepe? Or just have it on in the background? Hello?
Right, that's.
Because I'm probably going to work on my server and...
Oh, it's done it. Right, perfect. Right, let's go next one.
And I'm just waiting for Tristan to send me chat center. So I can switch over and get rid of this fucking chat manager.
I know exactly how you feel.
Chat manager's actually working this time for me, but when people try an auction, it says they're advertising.
Yeah, I'll send over the config I used to use on RN. You can implement it.
Can you just send me the whole file? For that,
Oh,
for
do
the
you not have the plugin anymore?
swearing and that. Oh, I have the plugin on my desktop. I don't have the updated version, but
Alright, one moment, I'll send you the updated version.
well,
It
because
fixed a lot of bugs.
I can't buy it because
I have it, so I'll send it over.
I know I can't. It's just I couldn't buy it because he can't accept payments on Spigot right now.
Yeah, you have to use Stripe, but I bought the whole 3 plugins. There's Chat Sentry, and I'll send over the config files in a sec.
Okay.
Where are they?
Because I'm gonna work on that. I want to get that custom crafting tested.
At Arca. Oh, why is RAR the default one?
RAR is what I use.
I use it because it compresses it slightly more. There you go. There's the config files. That's the exact same one that RN used.
Let me log on to the dashboard here. Let me click on survival. Let me throw this in here. I gotta update plugins, but
It hasn't been tested in a long time.
okay,
Not since RN. So it may be a bit buggy. But
let me just
pop it on the test server first.
That's what I'm gonna do.
Yeah.
Let me throw this zip file in.
You want any plugins, let me know.
Well, I have a lot of plugins that I bought.
Yeah, I have a lot as well.
I've also bought plugins on MC Market.
The Kix's plugins, the ones that you can't get. I've got the Chat Sentry one, I've got the Chat Games one, and I've got
Does the chat game ones actually work with Bedrock?
Hang on. I think we've used it on River Network.
Because I want to do chat games and stuff like that, but it's
this is the plugin I'm talking about. So just sent in DMs.
Oh my god, if it wants. I know the window's open. I'm turning on the fan. Pointing the fan at me.
It'll definitely need to log on to your Spygo account.
Yeah, I think. Yeah, that was the one that I was gonna get. I have Crixus. I used to use Crixus. What? Okay.
And this is the other one I had that I bought from Kix. Which I'll send you over, which is a auto announcer.
I use Infinite Announcer.
Yeah, that's the one I use, which is Kix's. This is not bad.
But I got it for free. Oh.
I've also got MCMMO full version.
Me too.
Yeah, Bot Sentry was a good one I used.
Okay, stream. I'm gonna end my stream tonight. I'll see you.